This is the Spottune Omni. It comes in a track-mounted version, a cord version, and as a recess kit. On top of the speaker, we have the track adapter, the pair button, the zone button, and a USB. This USB is only for firmware updates. If you wish to change which phase powers the speaker, you could do so by turning the phase wheel on the track adapter. To change the zone of the speaker, press and hold the zone button for 3 seconds.
You can get the Spottune track and cord in grey, white and black, and the recess kit in black and white. If you want to change the look, use an Omni cover.